G'day guys, Greg here. Now, I'm always looking for different things to try and, well, I haven't been using milk in my coffee for ages and I thought, well, wonder what other things taste like in coffee, like almond milk or macadamia milk or coconut milk. And well, I saw this coconut milk here and I tried to find out what it tastes like and is it any good in coffee. But there's nowhere out there that tells me. So today I'm going to find out, just to see what it's like. Now the ingredients of this one is mainly filtered water, but there is some organic coconut milk, 12%, organic brown rice, calcium carbonate and sea salt. So there's not many ingredients in it. And as far as the energy goes, I mean, it's not low in energy, that's for sure. And, well, fat content, it's about 1.8 grams per 100, which is sort of the equivalent of a skim milk. But anyway, let's crack this open and see what colour it is for starters and give it a taste, and then I'll make a coffee and stick it in and see if it does taste any good in coffee. Well, for starters, let's see what colour it is. Because when I think of coconut milk, well, I think it's like white, but it could be clear. Okay, well, it seems like it's a bit of both. A little bit white and a little bit clear. Yeah, it's sort of a strange colour, and well, it's not really clear, it's sort of just off-white. But I wonder if it's got a really strong coconut taste. It's got a sweetness about it. It doesn't smell too coconutty. Let's just try some. It's got a slight coconut taste, but it's not too strong. It's actually quite mild. It just sort of tastes almost like a very sweet sort of milk, but it's not too sweet at all. But it has got a sweetness. It's actually got a really mild coconut flavour. It's not too strong at all. If somebody gave it to you and they said, what does this come from? You might not be able to even tell that it was from a coconut. Actually, you might be able to tell it's from a coconut, but it is pretty subtle. Well, let's make a coffee and see if it tastes any good in coffee, which is the reason why I wanted to try it in the first place. So I'll pour some in a cup here. That's probably about 1/3 of a cup. And I'll just warm it up. I like my milk a little bit warmer, and just like about 40 seconds for that. And while that's heating, I'll prepare the coffee. Well, it's got a nice creaminess there. Ooh. Well, that's looking nice. Alright, well, it's time to find out the answer to the question that I didn't know and couldn't find. Is coconut milk good in coffee? Well, let's find out. Tastes just as good as anything else. But let me just add a little bit more because I really wanted to get the flavour of the coconut milk. Well, now the floor's got all the flavour. Okay. Yeah, I think the coffee disguises the flavour of the coconut milk, and you couldn't even tell there was any coconut milk in it. I don't think it's as good as the almond milk that I use. I found the almond milk really good to use in coffee. The coconut milk, well, it does the job. But I don't think I'll be getting it again to fill the void that I thought I required. Well, I hope this video helps you decide whether or not to try coconut milk in your coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I drink your coffee. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen with a review.